Okay, and this is a quick placeholder for a video that I'll make to introduce 250 to my students, and I'm going to talk about the English literature as a major and what this class is and how it differs from 201. Because of course 201 is sort of introduction to literature and literary genres, whereas 250 approaches kind of ways of looking at literature, and I'll talk about why I've set the course up like this and how the thinkers we're going to be looking at. 250 has 3 units. Unit number 1 is philosophers, 6 of them, discussing the relationship between art and reality. Is art a copy of reality? Is art a separate reality, its own thing? Is art for yeah, and it's that kind of, can we tell the difference between art and reality? Are copies good or bad? That kind of thing. And that's Plato and Oscar Wilde and Sidney and Alexander Pope and Baudrillard and Derrida, because Derrida is, of course, asking do words actually connect to things? And anyway, I got a whole thing. And then unit 2 is going to be looking at the relationship between art and authors, and that's when we get into does the author matter? And so Wordsworth makes the author central, and later thinkers, like Clent Brooks is like authors don't matter at all. And then the 3rd unit is art and audiences, at which point we're discussing, how does art relate to audiences? Does it brainwash them? Does it enlarge their souls? Does it reflect psychological problems they're having or dealing with in some way? Freud, of course, said that Oedipus Rex was popular because everybody wanted to fuck their mom and kill their dad. And so that's sort of the units for that class. And I'll go over the papers and the general thing and explain. And then, of course, I'll explain that I chose Hamlet and why did I choose Hamlet and why are we doing that. Hamlet is my example, so that we have one shared class example to go through this. But of course, students will not be expected to write or talk about Hamlet at all. Their job really is I'm demonstrating how to use these thinkers on Hamlet, and then the students will take these thinkers and use them on things the students care about. Big thunder, drama. I could die on camera. This would be extremely exciting. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Blah.